Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a fun one. I'm sharing a new seed order I just received online. These are mostly tropical plants and tree seeds, and many of them are rare where I live. The kind you don't usually find in local garden centers. Some may grow, some may not, but let's plant them anyway and see what happens. I love plants, especially the rare ones I can't easily find locally. Because of that, I rely mostly on seeds. If I ever find a reputable online store that sells live plants, I would absolutely order from them. The problem is, not many online shops carry the plants I'm looking for. So I get super excited whenever I see them available. I'm not sure if these seeds will grow, but at least I get the chance to try. I'm really hoping these seeds were freshly harvested, since fresh seeds have a much better chance of germinating. Here are the seeds I ordered. I've already opened them because I couldn't wait to see what the seeds look like. Before we start, let me place this white paper as a background. It'll be easier for us to see the seeds than the black background. These seeds are gardenia. Sometimes you can find gardenias in greenhouses, but they're not always readily available. Gardenia is a tropical to subtropical shrub known for its glossy green leaves and fragrant white flowers. It's often grown as an ornamental plant. Let me put the seeds back. Okay. Tropical magnolia. These are the seeds for tropical magnolia. They look like small pebbles. Black small pebbles. Okay, I'm not entirely sure what type of magnolia this is, but I'm hoping it's closely related to champaca. According to the seed description, it has yellow or orange flowers, but the plant I was looking for has white or cream flowers. No matter whether it is or isn't related, I'll be really happy if the seeds are viable and start growing. Oops. Next one is the magnolia, also known as the perfume tree. Okay. These are smaller than the tropical magnolia seeds. Magnolia, or perfume tree, is another plant from the Magnoliaceae family. The seed description sounds very close to what I've been looking for, especially the white or cream flowers. I'm actually searching for champaca, which is part of the Magnolia family. I've wanted a champaca plant for such a long time. So I'll be incredibly happy if this turns out to be the right one. But honestly, none of that will matter if the seeds don't grow. I read that champaca seeds are most viable when they're fresh, and the longer they're stored, the more they lose their viability. So right now, I'm just really hoping these seeds are fresh. If they sprout, I'll be so thankful and probably jumping for joy. Oops, they're running away. Okay. So, these are dwarf ylang-ylang seeds. I've wanted an ylang-ylang tree for a long time. Oh, this one's running away. Hold on. But all the seeds I've tried before were duds. So here's hoping this time is different. I hope so, because they're running away. Oops. Dwarf ylang-ylang is a small version of the tropical tree known for its highly fragrant flowers. The leaves are long, glossy bright green. Its flowers are yellow-green, narrow with curly petals that hang downward. It is extremely fragrant with sweet, floral, exotic scent. It blooms repeatedly during warm months. These seeds look totally different. These are pine pandanus seeds. They're a little hairy. When I saw this online, I ordered it right away, thinking it was a pandan used for cooking. After Googling it, I realized it was a different kind of pandan. Oh well, still worth trying. We'll plant this next day. Pine pandanus, or screw pine, is a tropical evergreen with long, spiky leaves that spiral around the stem. Some varieties even produce pineapple-like fruits, and it's often grown for its striking architectural foliage. These two seeds were shipped like this. They were shipped in this plastic bag with moist vermiculite. The Spanish plum is another seed I've wanted to grow for a long time, and I finally managed to get 2 seeds. Spanish plum is also known as chicote in Mexico and siniguelas in the Philippines. Spanish plum produces small, oval-shaped fruits that turn red, purple, or yellow when ripe. The fruits are juicy, slightly tart, and sweet when fully ripe, and are high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Again, seed viability is uncertain, so I'll be crossing my fingers. These are jicama seeds. Jicama isn't a tree, it's a root plant, and I'm not even sure if you'd call it a vegetable. It has white flesh that's juicy and slightly sweet. Jicama in Mexico, and it's also known as sincamas in the Philippines. It is a tuberous root that grows on a climbing vine. It has crisp, juicy white flesh with a mildly sweet flavor and is often eaten raw in salads, slaws, or as a crunchy snack. This packet contains the dwarf red Japanese maple, another seed that looks totally different from the others. Dwarf red Japanese maple is a small, slow-growing ornamental tree with deep red or burgundy leaves. dwarf red Japanese maple is a small tree with a compact, rounded, or vase-shaped canopy. Its delicate, hand-shaped leaves give it a lacy, elegant appearance. Small plants or bonsai forms are sometimes available in stores. Trees grown in pots can be pruned or maintain their size, and since this one grows slowly, it will take years before it gets too tall. So, that's all for the special seeds order I received. I do have a few more seeds order coming in, but those are for my vegetable garden. I received these seeds just yesterday, so I need to plant them right away. I don't want them sitting around too long and losing more of their viability. And that's it for today's seed haul. I'm excited to see if any of these seeds germinate, and I'll be sure to share updates along the way. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today and for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and leaving a comment below. I'd love to know if you've tried growing any of these plants, or if you'd had success with tropical seeds where you live. Until next time, happy planting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!